So in this video I will discuss the result and discussion part of this experiment. And next is calculation. So calculation, if we go to calculation, then 100 ml of compound sodium lactate injection require 2.4 ml of lactic acid. This 2.4 ml, this amount is the official quantity of lactic acid. Then if we make 20 ml of compound sodium lactate injection, by doing the calculation, we have got 0.4 ml of lactic acid. This 0.4 ml is the working quantity of lactic acid in the that we have performed in the lab. So 100 ml, then similarly 100 ml of compound sodium lactate injection required 1.5 gram of sodium hydroxide. Then for 20 ml, how much sodium hydroxide we have taken, that will calculate by this calculation. So for 20 ml of compound sodium lactate injection, by doing the calculation, we have got 0.23 gram of sodium hydroxide. Similarly, in the same manner, 100 ml of compound sodium lactate injection requires 0.4 gram of potassium chloride. Then 20 ml, how much we take? Then 0.0 gram of KCl. So this 0.0 gram is the working quantity of the potassium chloride, and 0.4 gram is the official quantity of the potassium chloride. In the same way, 100 ml of compound sodium lactate injection requires 0.27 gram of calcium chloride. Then for 20 ml, how much calcium chloride we have to take? We have to take 0.054 gram of calcium chloride. So this is the calculation part of this experiment. So for doing the experiment in the lab, we have take 0.4 ml of lactic acid, then 0 gram of sodium hydroxide, 0.08 gram of potassium chloride, and 0.054 gram of calcium chloride. Now coming to the storage and uses. So for storage, it should stored in a single dose glass or plastic container in a cool place. Coming to uses part, this it is mainly used as a electrolyte replenisher. So this solution, besides this, sodium lactate has immense uses in severe field. For example, it is sometimes used in shampoo products and other similar items such as liquid soaps, as it is an effective humectant and moisturizer. Sodium lactate is used to treat arrhythmias caused by overdosing of class 1 arrhythmics, as well as pressure sympathomimetics, which can cause hypertension. So these are some side effects of sodium lactate, which I have given some few of these uses of sodium lactate uses. So now about the side effect of sodium lactate. So mainly it is mainly the adverse effects of sodium lactate are essentially limited to overdose of either sodium or lactate ions. Okay, mainly some kidney disturbances is there. Okay, and premature neonates are particularly at risk because their kidneys are immature and they require large amount of calcium and phosphate solutions which contain aluminum. So solutions contain sodium ions should be used with great care, if it at all, in patient with congestive heart failure, severe renal insufficiency, and in clinical states in which there exists edema with sodium retention. So these are some side effect or adverse effect of sodium lactate.